When I was beginning the assignment revision process, first I started off by rereading my speech analysis, and I realized that instead of analyzing my speech that I decided to, which was John Green's commencement speech at Butler University, I mostly summarized it. I took about 4.5 pages, and three and three quarters of those pages were just complete summary. And so when I looked through my rubric, I saw my grade, and I put a lot of time into the paper, so I was a little upset about it. But once I really read the rubric, I realized why I got the grade I did and why I got points taken off in those certain areas. So I just looked at where she commented and thought of the things I could change, and I went from there. So first, I went straight by the rubric. I started off with audience analysis, then went into delivery analysis, and then I went into content analysis. And I looked at my paper and I saw that, okay, all of this is summary. So I deleted a lot of things and put some of the stuff at the bottom into my body of the paragraph, and that really made it a lot more succinct, I guess. I don't know if that's the word, but very put together and clarity, concise. It was a lot shorter. Instead of being 6.5 pages, my paper is now like 3 pages. So that was a big improvement for me, talking in less words. Obviously, I have a problem with that. And then I realized that my strengths in writing, I like the way that I write. I think I write it all flows very well, and I like the way I put my sentences together and how I put sentences together in paragraphs and the way I use words. But for this purpose, I think that I could have cut down on the words a lot and just really stuck to the point and just bam, 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 instead of like, oh, okay, yeah, that's so cool. I had a lot of fluff in there, and so once I took that out, it sounded a lot more professional. And then some weaknesses of mine are definitely staying concise, and I'm excited to write more papers and just go straight by the rubric because I think that'll be really beneficial to me. And now that I know how to look at the rubric and how to break it down paragraph by paragraph, it was a huge help when you went through that in class. And then my goals for improving writing are to write far in advance, really take my time writing, and give me a lot of time to edit it, look for active words versus passive, and just make sure that I can get my ideas across in as less words as possible so that it sounds very professional. And I really benefited from revising my speech analysis. I'm really happy that we got the chance to do that because it gave me an opportunity to really see what I need to work on firsthand instead of just what I think I need to work on. It was right there on paper, totally clear. So it was a great assignment for me. Thanks. See you tomorrow.